Yarnsensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnsensation, and you know that I'm happy that you are here with me today. And what I wanted to share with everyone is a crochet bootie. And what you see right now is the finished product that we did using the video how to crochet slipper. So what you will need to do is watch that video first if you have not, and you will take the steps from that video. And in this video we are continuing by adding a couple or a few more rows to make the height to complete our bootie slipper. Really easy to do. It's just continuously crocheting in rounds to complete the final look of this slipper. But what I also wanted to say was, what you are seeing can also be a finished product. If you just want the slipper, you can make many slippers. And then if you want to make a bootie slipper, you can use the first pattern and this pattern to make the booties. So let's get started. Okay, so on the first video, how to crochet slipper, we had to make adjustments based on the size of our shoe or our slipper. So I have the finished product, the slipper, and I am looking at the back, and what I want to do is join my yarn to the back. So what I am going to do is come over this heel down here So I am joining my yarn. Once I join my yarn, I want to chain one, and I want to go back in that same stitch and complete my first single crochet. And I will place my stitch marker into that single crochet. Once I do that, I want to go to the next stitch, and I will carry my yarn tail. And I just want to complete a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, single crochet, and you just want to single crochet around the entire piece back to your stitch marker, and we will meet back here. I am back at my stitch marker, so I just want to remove it, and I will complete a single crochet in that stitch, place my stitch marker in that stitch that I just made. Okay, so we completed row 1. So from this step you need to complete a total of 5 more single crochet rows around, and we will meet back at the end of that round. Okay, so I have made it back around, completing my last row, and this is what I have. Okay, so we have transformed it, gave it some height, and at this point this can be another bootie slipper for you. You can finish off at this height if you want, or you can make some slippers at this height just by completing 6 more rows to the first slipper that we made. And I have a picture that I can show you what it looked like on. So next what we will do is add a couple of more rows, and then we will complete this slipper. Okay, so next you want to complete 2 more rows of single crochets just starting in your next stitch and continue around. And what we will do is meet back once we have 2 more rows of single crochet. Okay, completing my last row. Okay, so we completed a total of 8 rounds of single crochet, and from what we started with, this is what we have. And once again, if you want to stop at 8 rows, you can, because that will be a bootie as well. You would just fasten off instead of completing the next rows that I will show you. So just taking notes, like I said, 1 pattern, and we have already completed a total of the first look 1, then at our 6th row a 2nd look, at our 8th row a 3rd look, and the next step we will complete the slipper, and that will be the 4th look. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, to get started on the next part of the slipper, remove your stitch marker, undo that last stitch, slip stitch in chain 2. Place your stitch marker into that chain 2. Double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. And you want to repeat around, double crochet in each stitch around, back to your chain 2, and we will meet back there. Okay, so I am back around and I completed this double crochet, and right before my chain 2 there's a space or a stitch right here. Do not complete a double crochet there. Instead, you just want to join into your chain 2 space, and that chain 2 will be the one that you place your stitch marker. You can remove your stitch marker. You want to chain 2. So our next row will be our front post double crochet. Wrap your yarn around your hook. You want to go behind this post, lift it up, and pull your yarn beneath that and complete your double crochet. Once again, wrap your yarn around your hook, go behind that stitch, lift it up, pull your yarn beneath it, and complete your double crochet. So you want to continue around, completing your front post double crochet, back to your chain 2, and we will meet back there. Okay, so I am completing my last post, and I'm at my chain 2. Go ahead and join into it. Chain 2, and you want to repeat around once again. Front post double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, lift up that post, and complete that double crochet, and just continue around each post, and we will meet back at our chain 2. So let's complete our last post and join into our chain 2, and we will fasten off at this row. So you want to go to your next stitch, pull your yarn through, pull it through the loop, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Pull your yarn through, tighten, turn your flipper, grab your yarn needle, weave it through, turn again, weave it through the next stitch, and next just weave it in the inside of your work. And we have completed our little booty slipper, and I can show you it on as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you on the next video.